This sauce tastes so close to McDonald's tangy barbecue sauce, but there's one crazy part: we're not even using barbecue sauce. 1/2 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons water, 1 pinch black pepper. First, add 1/2 cup ketchup into a bowl. This becomes the smoky tomato base. Now mix in 2 tablespoons brown sugar for that deep barbecue-style sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon honey to create that sticky fast food texture. Mix in 1 teaspoon yellow mustard to give it that signature McDonald's-style edge. Add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for real barbecue flavor without using barbecue sauce. Now sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. Pour in 2 tablespoons water to loosen the sauce slightly. Add 1 small pinch black pepper. Whisk everything together until completely smooth. Microwave the sauce for 20 seconds. Stir again, then let it sit for 2 minutes. Now dip crispy chicken into it and look at that glossy coating. Insanely close to the real thing. Comment "tangy" if you'd try this with nuggets, and tell me the next McDonald's sauce you want copied exactly.